morning, YouTube. So Paul and Daisy here, day 25. Woo, that seems like an eternity. I can tell you that. Yesterday I watched a little bit of news, and they're talking about bringing the country back up to speed. So the market's up. Sold my Uber, sold my Carnival cruise line, and I get back into them. I've actually got buy orders on both of them, and I'm anticipating a big market drop. So I put limit orders in. So I'll pick some back up. You know, when I kissed Uber goodbye, so baby, I'll see you back here at 8. But I don't think it'll ever get that low. I put a buy order in today. I think around 1550 is what I put it in at. I'd be happy to pick up 1,000 shares of Uber at 1550. Trust me, I would. Crypto up, and I bought $250 worth of XRP today. And that's because I got my last paycheck from Zarnowski, and it was for full pay. So I went ahead and bought $250 worth of XRP. Keto, I got to get back onto it full time. I mean, starting today, even I'm going to fast for my breakfast. I have to. I feel like when I get too far out of the keto, I just feel like a bloated fat pig, and I just can't feel like that. I've got to switch. All right, so we did our morning video. Daisy went for a walk, and then I went and met with a financial advisor. And the reason I did that, I got time right now because I'm off of work, so I may as well take advantage and do every single thing that I can do and things that I've been planning to do. So one thing that we've been talking about doing for a couple of years now is actually a family trust to take care of all of our assets and make sure that if anything did happen to me and Bev, that they went to the right place. So I think it's the right thing to do, and this is the right time to do it while I have time. So it all worked out great. Also, we've got a game plan. Me and Bev really do want to retire, and we probably want to enjoy some of that retirement on a trawler out in the ocean. And so we need somebody to be taking care of our finances while we're out there. So this is a guy I trust. He's helped me a lot with my parents, is how I met him. And they already had a trust set up, but getting this VA paperwork filled out because they need to qualify for VA assistance because it's very expensive, this care that they have to have. And this, because my dad's a veteran, he gets to file for some veteran assistance to live in the facility they live in, because it's like $5,000 a month. That's a lot of money. And we figure right now, if they get the assistance, they can make it about 7 years. So anyway, he helped us a lot. I think he's good, he's honest, and I love the guy. So anyway, then after that, I ran over to Costco, and I went into Costco. I had to go get MeMa some tea. She's been killing me about this tea. But every time we've gone to Costco over the last couple weeks, the line's been so long, I just, screw it. We have our supplies. I'm trying to build up our supplies. I want to keep a 90-day supply in the closet at all times now, or in the pantry. And so every time I get a chance to make one of these trips, I try and buy whatever I can, not hoarding, just enough to add to our supplies that we have, but no toilet paper. But I did get MeMa's tea. I did get her a couple boxes of tea. So check it out here. I had to, after I got the tea, I went to the front office like I'm supposed to, but there was nobody up there. So then I had to run to the back where she lives, and I had to throw it up on the porch so you can see that here. We got landed. I threw 2 boxes up there, and I hit them both right away. It was very cool. All right. And no toilet paper at Costco, but we're all right. We have plenty of toilet paper, but I wanted to check and see. The people that bought the motorhome, I had to send them a little care package. They got that yesterday. I heard rumors that my car, my X3, was out at the Sand Hollow yesterday. I miss it, but I hope that people are having a lot of fun with it. After that, me and Bev really talked. We talked about our future and where we want to go, and we're probably going to take a family vacation when this is all over that we'll pay for. Maybe a houseboat out at Lake Powell now that all my toys are sold, and maybe I'll start looking for some type of a watercraft if I can pick something up. Whether it's a big jet ski or maybe a small little inflatable boat. So we have a toy to enjoy. I did it last time. We had a lot of fun with it, and as we transition from this off-road over to the water part of things, which we love, absolutely love, and we're right here next to Lake Powell, so it's a fun place to explore. And with my drone and everything, I'm excited about it actually. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, that's my daily blog for today. I know nobody watches these blogs, but it sure is fun for me. I want to be able to look back at it and say, hey, where was that turning point? What did you do? What happened? Why is it like this? Anyway, Paul Bates, peace out. We got Daisy here, huh? What are you sleeping for, huh? Anyway, we love you guys. Peace out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.